Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome to Garden Dreams and DIY Schemes, where me and my hubby do stuff around the house and we show you how to do it. We're not experts, but we get the job done. Today we're gonna do raised beds for my watermelons. I'm gonna do two 4 by 1.5 foot beds, long ones, and then I'm gonna put an arch over it. Because my friend and comadre in California, hi Carmen, she has the most beautiful arch of watermelons and I want it. So that's what we're gonna build today. These are the items we use. The corner brackets are optional, as you can also use 2x2s to connect instead. Okay you guys, so make sure you wear gloves because you don't want to get splinters, and put on goggles. I know I have glasses on already, but things fly and you don't want your eye getting poked out. And see my door here? Check out our other video now or later, not too sure when I'll put it. We're gonna build a door also. Right, let's do this. So first, with the measuring stick, I'm marking where I'm going to cut at 5 feet. I think I said earlier in the intro that it was 4 feet, but it's actually 5. I'm drawing a straight line with the help of this triangle doodle. Haha, just kidding. It's called a rafter, square, triangular ruler. But that seems like such a mouthful, so triangle ruler it is. After that, cut a line with an electric jigsaw. If you don't have one, don't worry. A handsaw is fine. It just takes a little more muscle. Make sure you're cutting the tapered side of the cedar plank. Okay guys, I cut 8 pieces, 5 foot long, and now I'm going to cut 8 pieces, 18 inches long, or 1.5 feet long. And these are supposed to be 6 inches, but they say 6 inches, but it's 5.5. So in the end, it'll be 11 foot tall, not 11 feet, 11 inches. And you could cut your raised bed whatever size you want. This is just what worked for us, which was 5 by 1.5 foot. And here are the corner brackets we use for aesthetic reasons, but alternatively, you can use 2x4s on the inside to connect all 4 sides also. Now that you have all pieces cut, you're going to measure where you want that top bracket. He put it at 1 inch from the top. You mark it with the pencil and drill a hole with the drill bit. He's going to show you how he put the corner brackets since they're not at a 90-degree angle and they have a little tilt going inward at the corner. And you were doing what?
You see this? I was doing this. But now I'm doing it right in the middle like this. So when I tighten it, it kind of like digs into the wood evenly.
And just to let you know, those screws came with the bracket, so you don't have to purchase any extra screws. Once those 2 brackets are screwed on to the 18-inch sides of the planks, lay down the 5-foot planks and follow the same process. One of the screws is barely going to catch onto the wood because, as you can see, it's centered between the 2 planks.
Ooh, child, you need some cream. Some major creamage on those hands.
I do.
Somebody send us some cream, please. Donations for cream are being accepted for my ashy husband.
Okay, I'll stop messing with my husband. Don't worry, guys, he's fine. He actually enjoys it thoroughly. He's the Phil to my Claire. So as you saw the process again, he marked it with a pencil and then drilled the holes with the drill bit. For this project, he's using the 1/16 size drill bit, but it depends on your project and your screws which drill bit you're going to use. And just in case you were wondering, the drill bit is used prior to putting the screw on so you won't chip or splinter the wood. In case you're also wondering, why isn't she doing this? It's because he would probably take it all apart and then redo it after me. He's a perfectionist, y'all. It's one of the things I love. Once you finish with both beds, place one on top of the other. Since wood isn't perfect, find out what side leaves less bowing and less gapping. As you can see us spinning it around over and over trying to figure it out. Final step is screwing on the 4 wider corner brackets to connect the top to the bottom. Again, you'll have to angle those screws onto the holes that are between the two planks. And we're done. He's just walking it to the corner of the house that I want. We already have a sprinkler system set up. And ta-da! Give yourself a pat on the back because you just built a raised bed with us. This is a month later. We filled the raised beds, put some watermelon, built an arch, and we have a trellis now. And don't forget to hit that bell button for notifications on other videos. We have how to lay these pavers and rocks on this other side. As you can see, it's a little wonky right here. We redid it. And he is moving. I had extra concrete, so he's moving that. And in another video, we'll show you how to put these pavers right here. We failed to do a video on these pavers, so we're going to do a video on this other side of my house, and we're going to do that whole square area of brick pavers and that walkway. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.